Greetings, Tom Romeo here from Practical Compliance Solutions, here to show you how we can create simple labels from Traverse. Now, as you know, different packages have different kinds of label printing options, but typically those packages are Windows applications. This is a browser-based application, and I'm going to show you. I'll pick a 3x3 label. I'm going to pick an item, and I'm going to show you how we can very simply create simple labels. Now, if you needed a more customized label, that's okay. We can design them. But for very simple stuff, we can produce, any of these sizes, 4x8, 4x6, 4x4, 3x3, what have you. And as you can see, that is the asset type or the inventory type. I'm going to call this product. And I'm going to call this one description. And this is the type. And this is the location. And we're going to call this a sample inventory label. And it would help if I spelled inventory correctly. That would be nice, right? So the font size for the label title is 14. The product I'm going to barcode with human readable, and I'm going to say I want it centered. The description I'm not going to barcode. And let's just say, for sake of argument, I want to cram a space in between. So I'm just going to add a field and move it up and move it up again and just take the data off of it, but leave an empty field. And that's it. Print the label. And there it is. Now you notice it's a PDF file, and I can then send this PDF to my printer. If I save it as a local PDF file, I'm going to call it something. Let's just leave it in the downloads directory. I'm going to call it XXX, make it nice and easy to find. Okay. And if I go to my downloads directory, there's the PDF. And notice how it's opening at 148%. I'm going to open it at 100%. But also notice the size of the label. And we can go get the document properties. Of course, it'd be nice if I remember where they were. Document properties. And you see it says page size is 4x4. So that means any 4x4 label printer, doesn't matter if it's Intermex, Sado, it doesn't matter. This label will print to that and just take up a 4x4 label space. So again, that's for very simple labels. If you need something that's very custom, very complex, then we can design that for you. But if you just want to get off the ground, hit the ground running, I could take that very same label and I can make it a 4x6. And you see, there it is, a 4x6. I can take that very same label and make it a 3x2. And you see how it went off the page, right? So it's too much data for a 3x2. 3x3. 3x3 kind of fits, but you see how it's wrapping the barcode? That's never going to scan, right? So, you kind of have to be careful, what you choose. But, I mean, it's pretty obvious. And that's it. So for printing out simple labels onto your label printer, I mean, you can go to Staples and buy one of those Dymo printers, and you can print out very simple labels on a Dymo printer and design them yourself right from here very simply. Over and out. This is Tom, and I'm going to keep on making these little videos to show you how Traverse is super cool. Thanks. Good night.